Well, today, got a handy dandy door lock here. I'm pretty sure that Lockpicking Gal sent this to me a while back. And finally got to picking some locks. I've been off work for a while. Had a whole bunch of stuff happened from some of the older than me people in the family being in car wrecks and pulmonary embolisms or something like that. We've had just all kinds of stuff going on. But anyway, you can see it's locked up there. It does. Let me do this. It's got the key here. It's just about the worst bidding you could ever have for a key. And you know, in a good lock, it seems like it does work. In a good lock, that doesn't seem to matter. I've got some of these Corbins that I have yet to pick. Some of them have that flat bidding, and they're still tough to pick. But in a cruddy lock, it's just adds to the problems. Because this one's, I haven't tried raking it or anything. I got a little, what do you call it here, multi-pick, because it's real low and go into the lock here easier. Let's see if we can just tease this thing open. There we go. So you can see that even for somebody who's low on the skill level as me, that's pretty easy. So I don't think I'd be dependent on that for too much. And they put them on exterior doors, and shucks, I guess it's better than nothing. Anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure you don't pick any locks that you don't own or that you don't have permission to pick. And we'll see you again next time. Thank you.